Hey guys, Tech Interface here, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own HTML website, and it's very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. To start, this will work on a PC or a Mac, and you just go and you're going to want to make a folder and just call it website or anything to show you that anything in this folder will be for your website. And next, you're going to want to open TextEdit on a Mac or Notepad on a PC. Then just change the format to plain text. And let's just start off, just tell it that we're working in HTML. So let's go ahead and open !doctype HTML. Okay, and HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and that's just the same thing as a browser, pretty much. And then you just want to open your HTML website with two half triangles at the beginning and end. So let's go ahead and just fly through most of this simple stuff, and I'll show you the basic website, and then we can start getting into editing it. So open the head, close it with that triangle, and then to close the head you do a half triangle, but you do / this time, and do that again. And let's go ahead and put some space between HTML and head, and anything between opening of head and ending of head is in the head. So now let's go ahead and open the body of our website, and then close the body with a / close that. And then at the end, we're just going to want to close the HTML with the / So now, believe it or not, this is actually a website in the bare bones, and it will actually work to go to it. So let's go ahead and try to rename it. Let's call it index.html, and you have to call it that because that tells the thing that's not just a document, it's actually an HTML thing. And then you're going to want to put it in your website folder that you made. Click save, and then it's going to say the standard is .txt, not .html, because txt would be a text document, but we do want to use HTML, so just click that, use HTML. Then go into our website folder, open this, and there you have it. That is a website made from the code that we just did. And of course there's nothing on it yet, but that is the web link for it. So let's go ahead and start editing it. To start, let's go into our body. I'm gonna make this for my YouTube channel, Tech Interface, that you're watching this on actually, and let's just call it that. So open, P, close, and that P standing for paragraph, and then you can go ahead and type what you want in the paragraph. So let's type Tech Interface, and then close the paragraph with a / Okay. And now that we have that, that's good, but let's go ahead and look at that real quick. Okay, and now you can see it has the Tech Interface, but I don't really like it over there. I want it to be centered, so you just do / center, then close it, and then at the end you just do that again with a / of course, and then close that, so everything in the paragraph with that text is centered. Okay, and now if we go into the website again, you can see the Tech Interface is centered. And now let's go ahead and open font. Okay, then you're just going to close that, but in the font, let's do size equals, then in sorry, did a plus sign, and then in quotients you're going to change it to 5. I want the bigger text. Font equals 5, and then close that. And I haven't tried this before, so it might not work, but yep, it did work. Okay, and as you can see, tech interface is in a larger text. I'm going to make it even bigger. Let's change that to 7. Okay. And it's even bigger now. So it definitely, you can tell, is the title of the website, and I like that. Okay. That works for my website to have the nice big title at the top. Okay. And now let's do in the head, and I would really recommend tabbing everything out of in between things so it just keeps it more organized and simpler. And let's go ahead and put something in the head. Let's put the heading as right here. If you open this, it's just called index.html at the top right here where my mouse is, as you can see, and I'm going to change that because I don't want it to be called that. I want to have an actual heading. So open, and then title, then close that, then type your title, so tech interface, because that is the name of my website. Then to close it, just do a / and then type title again and close that with the, and that should work. Now if we open this again, as you can see, the title no longer says index.html, it now says tech interface because that's the title, and we have our nice big tech interface. And yeah, so that is looking pretty good. So this has been my first video on how to make an HTML website. If you want more, just be sure to tell me in the comments, and I'll be happy to make more of them, going into more depth of how to edit your website. And once I'm done editing this, I will change this to my official website for my YouTube channel instead of my Weebly one. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out my website for now at techinterface.weebly.com, and I'll see you next time.